Guys, this is my origami that I just designed. It's called my origami magic kediediscope from a bird eater. Origami. This may sound silly, but guys, this is my origami magic kediediscope from a origami bird eater. And guys, it can be a bird. So guys, it can move like a kediediscope. Whoa. It can transform into this. And it can transform back. And guys, it can also be a bird eater. You see, guys? Look at the bird eater. She's gonna eat you. So guys, I used gluing, but I might make a tutorial on it. So guys, comment down below if you think it's cool.